Hello everyone, another new hair art na naman tonight, and I am very happy sa result kasi kakaibang twist na naman ang ginawa natin, no? Because ang previous hair ng ating client ay meron po siyang old copper highlights and it's very dry to my eyes, no? So I see to it that the result of she's hair is very different from her previous hair. So masaya ako kasi ito na yung result. Chan charan, ladies and gentlemen! Nagko-complement talaga yung kulay ng ating client, no? And we put stuffy green blonde to she's hair para po mag-iba yung look ng kanyang highlights. And magiging ano siya, magiging kakaiba. So ang lambot, tsaka ang ganda ng kulay. Hindi ko masyado makita. Harap ka dito, te. Harap ka dito, te. Harap, te. Ganyan. Ayan. So ayan po yung kulay niya, guys. As you see, diba? As you see, sobrang lambot, mga kapak. And ang ganda ng highlights po. No? So para po siyang green. So kung makita nyo, kakaibang highlights po yung binigay natin sa kanya. So, ayan. So, ayun po guys. Thank you so much. Kung magpagawa po kayo, just call my name and I'll be there. Thank you. Bye!